Hi, I'm Llewellyn Falco, and this is Introduction to Small Basic Recipes. On the wiki, you can see a whole bunch of different recipes that we have for Small Basic. In this particular one, we're going to start with the simple square. So, I've already imported it into Small Basic here, and the first thing we're going to work on is translating these comments or the intention into the actual code that will do the stuff. So first, we have show the turtle. And in English, we always start by getting the attention, the show, or the verb. But in programming, we always start by getting the attention of the noun. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is get the turtle. And as I start typing, you can already see that we have this help window that comes out, letting me know that the turtle is there. And then, unlike English where we put our words together with spaces, here we put them together with dots. So we're going to say turtle.show. And if you look over here on our help window, you can see that show requires 2 parentheses. So we'll do that. And that's enough of something. So let's first start by running that and seeing that everything works. Here our window pops up, and indeed we can see our turtle. So we're going to go a little bit farther. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to skip down a couple lines and move that turtle 50 pixels. When I do that, again, we need to get attention of the turtle first. So I'm going to say turtle dot move, and if I look over here in my documentation here, it's going to tell me the distance that's needed. So I want 50 pixels, so I'm just going to put 50. And let's run that again and see what happens. Great. So here we have the turtle moving. Let's go a little bit farther here, and we're going to go to the turtle one more time and tell it to turn. And here we can either choose turn right, which will turn it 90 degrees to the right, and you can see that again right here in the documentation, or we can just go to the turn, and then in the documentation you can see we have to include the angle. So in that case 90. Let's run that one more time. Great. Now, up here we have this, let's make the turtle move as fast as possible. So again, we're going to start with turtle. And we're going to look for something to help it move. And as I said before, we have this help that shows us all the things we can do with the turtle. In this case, we're looking for something that's going to affect how quickly it moves. And you can see that we have speed. And you can also see that the icon over here is a paint palette instead of the gear. And what that means is that with speed, you see how it doesn't have the parentheses over here? We're going to have to assign it to something. So in this case, we're going to say equals. And if you look at the documentation, it says between 1 and 10. So as fast as possible is going to be equals 10. And again, because we're using assignment, we don't want the dots separating how we talk to things. So if we do that again, it should just do the exact same thing, but a little bit quicker. And it does. And now let's go to this random color. Now, the pen color exists on another object called graphics window. When you type in there, you can see the graphics window, and then the pen color. And for right now, or we'll just set that to graphics window. Get random color. And again, that's telling us it needs to be a parenthesis. So on this side, we're calling it, and then we're passing it over with that assignment.